everyone, today we're back here at Disney's Animal Kingdom since they have some holiday festivities going on from November through December. There's going to be the Merry Menagerie puppets, Tree of Life Awakenings, some new holiday decorations, and the first and unfortunately the last Christmas celebration at Dinoland where you can even meet Santa Claus himself. So that being said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. As soon as we head inside, there's this gigantic Christmas tree with all sorts of decorations from Lion King, Jungle Book, and down here there's even some toys, like for example there's some toys themed to Jungle Book, Winnie the Pooh, and even some from Tarzan, and even Lion King as well. But of course this is all a photo op where you can get your photo right in front of this enormous Animal Kingdom themed Christmas tree, and it's so cool. As soon as you're heading in, there's all sorts of holiday decorations, like for example there is some garland and wreaths on the building, and if we can see on the right side there's a special photo op with the theme being a winter wonderland. Also, here at Animal Kingdom, they have a special experience guide where you can check out all the holiday experiences like the Merry Menagerie, which is at Discovery Island in front of the Tree of Life from 9:45 a.m. to 12:35 p.m. and 1:25 p.m. to 5:10 p.m. where they're there intermittently. There's also restaurant stores where you can meet two different characters. One's going to be the Santa Claus meet and greet now through December 24th, intermittently from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Then there's also Santa Goofy from December 25th through 31st, intermittently from 10 a.m. to 5:20 p.m. Now, one of the things we're going to be doing next is going to be meeting the Merry Menagerie at Discovery Island. These are these lifelike puppets bringing holiday joy to many, where you can see reindeer, polar bear, penguins, and more. So let's go ahead and head over there now. Hello! What are their names?
This one's Polly. That
Polly?
one's Phil.
Oh, nice to meet you, Polly and Phil. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays to you too. This is our friend Charlie.
Oh!
He's our other friend, Bugger's little friend.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
He's like checking you out, I think.
Oh.
I think he likes you.
Oh, happy holidays! Hi! Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
What is its name?
This is Ruffles.
Oh, hi, Ruffles. So great to meet you.
You too.
Yeah. Well, hope you have a happy holidays, Ruffles. Hello.
Hello.
What's its name?
Binoculars.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Good job, Papa. Get in there.
Nice to meet you. Well, I hope you have a happy holidays.
I think you're being circled by penguins. You can do it.
Oh.
You became the leader. Yeah, because Mama has no. Oh!
Hello. Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
We're doing great. This is Silver. She's an Arctic fox.
Hello, Silver. Have a great day. Happy holidays. Now, if that was not enough, if you want some merchandise for Merry Menagerie, there's this special t-shirt, spirit jersey, puppet plushes of the polar bear and the penguin, and last but not least, some light up ornaments of some of the animals here for Merry Menagerie. And we're now here at Dinoland, and in this case there's a special holiday festivity happening where you can actually meet Santa Claus himself. Of course, besides all that, there's the return of the Dinoland decorations and more inside, where there's plenty of lights and decorations all around Dinoland. I think we're gonna go ahead and head over to Santa Claus meet and greet so that we can see Santa himself. And we're now here at Restaurant Source so that we can meet Santa. And the first thing we can see is all the decorations, the Dino Institute sign saying "Welcome Santa." There's also a sign for the 75th annual Dino Institute holiday party. Snacks for herbivores and carnivores alike. Special guests, guess who? And there's also some raptors, this reindeer in front. So cool seeing that. There's so many cool decorations. Like for example, there's dinos doing some Christmas carols up there. You even have some more dinos up there where I want to say they're doing a snowball fight. Yeah, I think it is. Oh my goodness, there's even some stockings like for Dr. Seeker, Dr. Shirley, Dr. Wu, and Dr. Marsh, along with some snow on the window. Head down here. You can see some holiday themed art of dinos, like some dinos with presents and a dino cooking a s'more on top of a dinosaur called the S'moresaurus. There's also the Dino Institute carpet, a snowman, award for Dr. Grant Seeker, some decorations, a T-Rex wearing a Santa hat, along with another one wearing a green Santa hat with candy cane. Of course, there's also a card with a paper saying, "Have you seen this dinosaur? If found, please return to Dr. Seeker. Don't tell Dr. Marsh." There's also another interesting thing right there, and that's actually going to be a hidden Mickey right there. Interesting. There's some albums with dinosaurs. There's even a mini time rover on the record player. That's so cool. Merry Christmas, Santa. Good. How are you? I love what you guys did to the place.
Isn't this a beautiful place for Santa to be?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, dinosaurs.
Yeah. So how's everything going for the holiday season?
Everything's very busy at the North Pole right now. It's our time of the year when we really start cranking it up. But
Yeah.
we're good. How about you?
Mostly good. Hopefully. Now, we just got out of the Santa meet and greet, and it was so cool seeing him. It was so great to see all of the holly decorations. Right now, that's the one of two things I want to do besides the Merry Menagerie. I think now, maybe we can meet some characters, who knows? That or probably ride some rides. We'll see, we'll see. We can even see some decorations, like they're just around the corner. See them today. I don't know what them are, but I guess we'll see. There's also some holiday lights. Get ready for fun. They love to play. Oh, who could it be? Right here. Oh wait, there they are. It's Chip and Dale right here. Let's go ahead and meet them as well. Hello, happy holidays, Chip and Dale. I love the outfits. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I even see you guys have a Christmas tree, some lights. It's nice. Oh, what's this? Oh, is that a candy cane? Nice. Oh, That's your candy cane? Yeah, interesting. Oh, there's a Christmas tree right here. Fascinating. Yeah.
It's kind of, we used to have an advent calendar, so they
Yeah.
would take it out every single day before.
Oh.
But now we just have it on Christmas Day, so they get to crack it
Okay.
open and eat all the game.
Oh, okay, nice, nice. Yeah, yeah.
Gotta wait for Christmas.
Yeah. Is there anything you two would like for Christmas this year?
Or a
Oh, okay. All right then.
the biggest you could ever find.
Yeah, yeah. Well, is it okay if we get a picture together? Hello. Happy holidays, Daisy. I love what you did to the place right here. Yeah. Oh, we can see the Christmas tree, some drawings. What's your favorite drawing out of them? Oh, good. Oh, these nice, nice. Oh, okay then. Yeah. Is it okay if I get a picture with you? Well, it was so amazing seeing all the characters with Daisy, Chip, and Dale. I think right now there's one last thing we need to do, and that's watch the Tree of Life Awakening show here at Animal Kingdom. So let's go ahead and watch Tree of Life Awakenings.
Sharing in the spirit of the holiday season and the special magic it brings.
And that is going to be a wrap for our adventure here at Animal Kingdom tonight. I had such a fun time checking out the Merry Menagerie, meeting Santa Claus, meeting some of the characters, and most importantly, having an enjoyably fun and cool night here at Animal Kingdom. Tree of Life Awakenings was amazing as usual. Just seeing the projections was so cool on the tree, and part of me just misses being at Animal Kingdom at nighttime. I wish they had park hours a bit longer, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments, have you ever been to Animal Kingdom during the holiday season? If so, let me know. If you want to help support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow for more. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.